Don't do these three things I want to mention in this video. Now, if you had written an exam in the past and the outcome of that exam was not what you actually anticipated, it means you did at least one of these things I want to mention in this video. Number one, don't study because of exam. Now, study to gain knowledge. For example, excuse me. You have to make it a routine. Don't get up one morning and subject the brain to stress because you have exams. No. Make reading a culture so that if exam comes and you are not chance to read, you can just do a revision because your brain has been working this way. Whatever you revise at that point will just stick. But if you stress it because you want to cover every topic when you've not been doing that before this time, it's a malfunction. Now the second thing is, don't assume you will do it in the exam hall. Now, let us imagine a soldier who is going to fight war. Now, when he's given gun to exercise before going for that war, now he tells you, when I get to the war front, I will do what? I will not learn how to shoot. Sounds absurd. Yeah. So when he gets there, while other soldiers are shooting to kill, he is shooting to learn or learning to shoot. The results cannot match. Honestly, it cannot match. If you can tell yourself the truth, now the days you made this statement or you told yourself these things I'm saying now, and you went in for an exam, if you can say the truth, you admit that you came out disappointed because you only assumed what your brain can do. You did not test it to see if it can. So if you have to excel in an exam, what you do for every topic that you've treated, you have to sit back, look for past questions on that topic, and do what? And attempt. The idea of maybe on the exam day they will give me a cheaper question, it's a lie. They will not give a cheaper question. The questions will not be cheaper. It will not. Trust me. So, study and what? And attempt questions. Don't wait till the exam day before you do what? Attempt questions. That is why I do tell my JAM students, if you are coming for JAM lesson and you don't have any study material, any prayer book that contains past questions, you are just joking. You are joking. That's two. Now, the number three thing you shouldn't do if you want to excel in any exam, don't believe in luck and miracle. I know this one, you won't, excuse me. This one will not make any sense to you. Yeah, but hold on. Examination is not a spiritual exercise. Yeah. Examination is an intellectual exercise. So that mindset of, on the exam day, I will meet my pastor, I will meet my priest, I will meet my imam or whoever to lay hands on me. The hands that will now perform a miracle that will make me excel in an exam for which I have not prepared. You are deceiving yourself. You are deceiving yourself. Yeah. You are deceiving yourself. Now, don't misunderstand me. One might have, let's say, 6 topics to cover for an exam. Are you with me? And the time is now there for you to cover 6 topics. And you want to cover 4 topics. Yeah. Now you can pray. You can pray over that, and God will reveal or possibly direct you to the topics you study. Because not all of them will come in exam. So which ones will come, you don't know. Exactly. And that is where the prayer comes in. But for the fact that you have not done anything on that topic, you've not done anything in that field, and you want to believe that someone's prayer will make excel in that exam, it doesn't work that way. So that's mindset of there's a miracle that will make me score 300, 350, 3 whatever. There's no miracle like that. Go and work hard. Go and prepare for exam.